Forward.
The scary graphic is
Raja,
not
hold on to it.
Oh, forward.
Raja,
Oh,
something's wrong with Raja's truck.
Finger at the top.
Something's wrong with Raja's truck. He's
Already?
fucked up.
No.
Let's go end finger.
Oh, yeah.
Dude,
Did you
he's
miss?
he's
Why
car.
not?
He can't. He's
Yo,
so
man.
sideways.
That's a
I don't know
teammate.
what the hell happened.
What are we doing?
Pack racing
Connor
in Michigan,
Mosak!
baby.
Let's
3
kill
wide
Kevin
for the lead.
Song.
Mosak.
Mosak.
Oh.
Mosak in here.
Come on, Ballsack.
What is happening?
Least entertaining truck first lap, I swear to God.
Yep. And Ankrum. He's already
It was
dead.
chaos on the first lap.
Here
And
comes
What the hell is
Yo,
that?
Hosevar.
What is
this
happening?
goes Carson.
Where did that run come
Oh my god,
from?
bro.
Yeah, he was on the ball the whole time. Where did he generate that?
Wait,
That man had a run at
hold on.
Mach fuck, dude. Holy shit.
Oh god.
They should
That
be.
makes
Oh god,
sense.
this is gonna be a beautiful.
Holy fuck, Frankie!
I
Wow.
knew something was up.
Oh
bro.
my god.
I got it. Here comes Hosevar again.
Look at the tandem. Look at the
Bro,
40
as soon as that 7 truck, as soon as that
Are
7
we
truck,
tandem drafting at fucking
Oh,
Michigan?
nice!
We're
Player-
slingshotting at Michigan.
as soon as that 7 truck hits the draft, it turns into
Oh,
a missile.
Connor Mosak's gonna get a
Slingshot
fucking.
engaged.
Connor Ballsack's about to get a fuck ton of a run.
Because
You could do like
Hosevar's
a
six
garage down this
mechanical.
backstretch
Bending
now.
already
Could
to
be
the
like-
garage.
Oh, that was fast.
Oh.
All right, so 5 laps.
Oh.
5 laps.
5
is what he
laps.
ran.
Oh,
Nice.
I thought you said Hemrick. I was like, oh
Did
no.
the truck blow up,
No,
or
I
is it
would
just a
have
stop
been
park?
way more sad if it was
I laugh.
Hemrick.
I love watching
There's
NASCAR.
Corey.
F1.
I love
Here
this
comes
race.
There he comes.
Corey was
I would've-
just playing with him.
Oh, sliding.
Corey was just playing with
Oh my
Hosevar
god,
the
Corey
whole time.
LaJoy top 30.
What happened
Yeah,
to
Cor-
the ticket?
The ticker got circumcised. That's what
God.
happened.
NASCAR.
No, it's
No!
Oh, he got the.
God damn it!
Well, he's bump
Well,
drafted
hey,
with his
that-
teammate.
and
That's
he's
what
bump
it
drafted
was.
his rookie teammate.
Yeah, he
That's always
literally he's working with teammates.
Corey LeBoy toy's about to get fucking
Wah!
wrecked here in a minute.
What?
Corey LeBoy.
Hey, we got
Oh,
in trouble.
no.
It
Jack
took too
Wood.
long.
Not Jack Lumber.
I should
Nice
not talk about
camera.
the bug.
Not Jack
fucking
Bruce. That's the first one for
First
incident.
caution
Damn.
for a crash.
Damn it, dude. I'm sad. Jack Tree wrecked.
Not Jack my wood.
Oh my.
Oh,
Yeah, he
lost
just lost it on his
No
own.
talent.
Almost
nice!
drifted it.
Oh, he saved it there, but then
At the back of the field.
Dude, Stewie was so close to getting involved in that. I was about to lose my fucking marbles.
Fine,
Do you have a stroke, sir?
look at that. We can't save him.
No, not that AI bullshit.
Take a look at what he did.
Come on, Emmerich. Get him on the outside.
Oh no!
Damn it.
Raja!
Oh, we got Boston in the back.
Raja spun.
Oh no.
Oh,
Oh.
for fuck's
Oh,
sake!
take it the right side.
Come on,
back end.
dude.
You won last
Better
week.
not been
and you
another
get
fucking
this
lo-
week.
tire.
Ow.
Oh,
Yeah, that thing is pretty well damaged.
No, it's not.
hurt.
Oh, all of his
And the
tires
right
are up.
front-
I think he just lost
Right
it.
front
Damn
as
it.
well has gone a little ding up against the wall.
Cars in one
He
piece.
could've had help.
He just got his lap back too.
One
Fuck
bit-
off, dude.
Watch this, guys.
Oh yeah.
Don't-
I
Watch
mean,
this man.
Matt Mills,
He
come
went-
on, dude.
He went for a gap that was not there.
Oh, it was there. Matt Mills guy decided to close it.
yo.
Got forward.
Stewie's
Wait,
23rd,
I-
fucking
oh.
amazing. Great,
It's
cool.
time. It's majesty
I love
time.
it.
It's time
Time to
Units
get on
going
the
ahead
jet
of a
ski.
4-4 truck time.
Holy shit, that's a fucking pylon cone.
Oh,
Yeah,
what
right.
happened?
Oh, we got a caution.
What?
Who was it?
Trouble.
What? Ow.
Oh,
No.
whoa.
No.
Whoa, whoa,
Wow.
Teammates.
Okay,
That's a
that
big
thing
hit.
killed it.
Oh,
That
there's
thing
a big
killed
hit.
it.
Yep.
Oh.
Yep. There goes Bird.
Anyway, let's see what happened to him.
I think he lost
All right.
it.
Not
They're
Ayrton Senna.
in last.
My only question is, how did the
He
two
got
get
dumped
down
right
this
there.
showcase
Oh, lose it.
silent?
Got
he
dumped.
That's Jack
Oh,
Wood, dude.
Cliff turned down.
Don't tell me this is the only angle we fucking have.
Someone
No,
bump
no,
him.
no, no, we got one.
Nope.
Oh,
No,
wait.
no, he's not
Oh.
focusing on him.
Oh, there's a third
Oh.
truck.
Oh, the 2 was in the air. Or not the
Think
2,
you
the
can measure it in
02 was
camera
in the
work.
air.
Can't see
Now we
it.
can't
Good
even-
job, guys.
It looks like maybe the
Wait, we might get it. We might have another angle. Hold on.
No, we don't. This Fox.
Gray was up front. It wasn't him.
We pray that we have
Yeah.
another angle.
We don't.
Wait,
Oh,
look.
there
Oh,
we
there we
go.
Wait.
Ow.
Oh no,
Ooh.
never mind. It looked
That
like
was
he
by
was.
himself.
He jumped in the air.
that he was well ahead
I
of
think
the
it looked like
others.
he ramped the wall a little bit. Mine did too.
Oh.
Damn
my
it.
God. Connor
Yo.
Mosak, where the hell did he
On
come
Ross
from?
Chastain with the run of a lifetime.
Take a look at what he
Oh,
did.
Yo! Keep the green.
Keep it
Green.
green!
No crossing yet.
Hankram got
Of course,
the
that
wall,
screws
but
over
they're
Honeycutt,
shooting.
because we can't have nice things.
Yeah,
Damn,
so-
Breidinger
I
fell
was
back
being
far.
I was just waiting for them all to calm down, and then they threw the yellow.
What?
Alright.
No.
What happened here?
No.
Did
Hey.
Hankram
Don't
clear
die.
his own? Oh no!
Oh,
no!
no.
No!
I guess we'll never know.
And
Here comes Lane.
comes Briggs.
Why did I fall?
Can he get clear?
Whoa!
He cannot clear.
What
No.
Trying to clear himself.
Right up! Oh boy!
Come on,
But
Green.
he always capitalize.
There
Good
comes
rock.
I
Ross.
thought you just
Wow.
Time.
Oh no, Heim!
High
Second time.
time.
He's making a double pass.
It's about to be Heim time again.
But here's
Not again.
Hocevar. Hocevar's there.
Almost.
Here comes Ross! Ooh.
That was close.
Whoa,
whoa,
Oh,
They are
Holy-
they are
Almost
bumper
turned
walking.
into
They are
Goose.
butt
we're
drafting.
bump drafting
just
to
hooked
fly
up.
away
comes
here,
Ross.
boys.
Ross on the inside. That's not
We're
the
gonna-
preferable lane. Not clear.
We're gonna
Right
fly.
up! Nope.
We are gonna fly away with this one.
How fast are they
Start
going?
here.
Holy cow.
Wow.
God.
Holy
Jesus
shit!
Christ,
3
Lane.
wide! Play Briggs!
Ew.
Alright.
That was so
Oh,
like
Lane
Ford,
oh,
he's gonna
shit,
take
bro.
it.
Do you know they
Oh.
Shane Riggs?
Not clear for Riggs.
Shane,
Bro,
Shane
that was
Van
some,
Riggs.
that was a Logano type block he
Shane
threw
Van
there.
Riggs, Bergen.
God damn.
Leader at the
And there's a
line.
good friend figure.
Oh,
Here comes
what?
Brandon Baker
Home
back
forward.
again!
What the
Oh.
Yo!
Infinger's clear though.
This is
Clear.
sick!
How did that run? How did Grant Infinger get that run? Holy shit!
He's gone again,
Still
dude.
on
Back
talent.
to how it was.
But we're not done
Not
yet!
done.
Oh no!
Keep pushing him.
Whoa.
Lost
No,
lock
it's
it
not.
on.
Again.
Don't,
Oh,
Yo!
Right.
back.
No, we're gonna
Ross.
fall.
NASCAR Truck Series,
Oh,
it's
I'm
either...
gonna have a fucking heart attack. Oh!
God,
God.
man.
There's also
Scott
where
Truck
the blood
Series.
come from.
Here comes Gio
NASCAR Truck Series, either
Ruggiero!
boring as hell or the most exciting thing you've ever watched.
Here comes Ruggiero now!
In between.
Or both. Or
Blood
both.
pressure's going up.
Go back.
Here comes Huck.
Everything's happening, but nothing's happening.
Here comes
Speaking of-
Hocevar,
speaking of
2-1.
everything happening.
Here comes
Hocevar.
Hocevar.
Oh,
Here comes
Overfast.
Hocevar!
Sliding.
Hocevar,
Come on.
plot armor.
Yo.
Plot armor.
Plot armor.
Whoa.
Suck him.
There he goes.
Oh,
Oh,
he
he
sucked
sucked
him!
Whoa,
He
jeez.
sucked him when he
What?
went by him.
They got
What
bump
is this?
drafted,
What
so I don't know
What
how
is
it's
this
gonna work.
NASCAR game
Upper
ass
purple
looking
line
battle
for-
going on here? What is happening?
Crossover.
And clear.
This is
Aw.
beyond peak.
He's gonna get him.
Oh,
in
in
the
the
Oh,
wall.
he was in the wall.
Here
They're
comes
all
Gio!
showing. They're all
What an
throwing
idiot.
haymakers.
This guy sucks. Get him out of here. Here comes
Oh, shut
Gio.
up, this is enjoyable.
Labor
It is
It's
not
got
that-
light traffic coming
God
up.
sucks. Not that. This is
Oh,
what they're
Hocevar! Hocevar! Where did he come from?
Oh, lap truck.
Gotta move.
Oh,
Wow,
wow,
slow down.
no.
He got
I'm
the
about-
suck of a
I'm sorry.
lifetime.
We're about to add traffic into
Hey,
this.
Tony.
Dude, he
Oh
got
my
such a
God,
big
this
suck
is-
there.
Whoa.
Oh,
Whoa! Here comes
Yes.
Hocevar!
He gonna need to move up high.
this is about to be the
This
most
is
disastrous wreck of all time.
Oh my god.
Yo.
This is
Yes.
Oh,
What a
Holy
fucking
shit.
save. Holy shit, Ross.
Bubble almost called that shit!
Oh, he's got a tire down. His tire's down. His tire's down.
Oh,
Is
no!
No. Oh, my voice
Got the
cracked. I'm
wheels.
killing myself.
His tire's about to be down.
Yes.
Wait, is
Something's
Yes.
going on with
Hocevar or Ross?
Ow,
Oh,
you
no.
put it out.
He's
Put it
on fire,
out.
yes.
Put it out.
There it is.
You
Yeah,
should have hit that.
Caution's
Put it
gonna
out.
come
There could
out.
be a caution.
Caution.
Where's the
Bush
Bush
caution?
is gonna help
No,
us
no,
survive.
no, it's a fire.
Yeah,
There it is.
There it is.
That's
Who's
Riggs.
taught
Awesome.
that?
Lane.
It's lanes.
Is that racing?
Dude, that
Yeah.
Rosses.
That is some of the
Lane
best
Riggs.
racing I think I've ever seen
Oh
at
my
Michigan.
God. Right.
That was
Right.
awesome.
What a
Alright.
race.
I need a
I'm-
moment.
Don't worry, it'll be
You
even
take
better
that all
now.
in.
So a 5-lap dash to the finish. What the fuck could go wrong?
Pretty much.
We're
Yeah, what
we
could
don't
totally
know
go
what
wrong
could
when you
go
have
wrong.
Corey LaJoy in the top 10?
Oh God.
I didn't even notice.
Connor Bozak and Corey
Oh
LaJoy in the top 10.
no.
There goes Gio.
Yep.
Go.
Oh my god.
Everybody,
Stupid
what is
one.
going on?
Gio Ruggiero.
hell? So did
Yo,
Frank
Ruggiero.
He absolutely ripping ass down the fucking.
Wow.
Oh,
Gio.
Leading.
I predicted it.
Corey LaJoy is leading this race.
No, he is not. Tanner Gray is.
I predicted
Tanner
it.
Gray.
Oh.
Tanner Gray's
You know
crashed.
what? I
Jared
predicted
crashed.
this. I literally said as just after we chose. Go on, whole field wreck. Here we go.
All right.
Yeah.
Please.
Also,
I was
look
wrong.
for.
Spin the
By the
tires.
way, look for Frankie on the grass.
Where's? Oh, there. The Morgan and Morgan.
Just
I
yes,
don't
look for
even
the
know.
33. Just look at look what he does.
Where is he?
Where's
There we go.
Frankie?
Thoughts and
There you
finish
go.
through.
Corey LaJoy is
going,
leading.
he's going.
Austin
He
Jones
won
second.
everybody. Hell
Yeah,
yeah.
hell yeah, Frankie.
Got those spots
There we
too.
I got
Bro,
my picture.
Henrik,
Took out every-
Henrik would be second if he didn't have all that fucking damage.
Well,
wanna
I
know-
think
I
they just
wanna
need to
know
pull
who-
out the fender and then he's fine.
We just took every top driver out of the running.
Poor Ross.
Stewie
We
made
just
it
wiped
through.
the whole top 10 out with this one.
I'm not complaining. It adds some entertainment to this race.
Ross
makes
has
this
got
already
oh my god,
chaotic race even
98
more.
Oh,
score.
Majeski got taken out
I
too.
told
Took
you,
it out.
this was
You know
Wait,
what?
Hocevar's gonna be fourth.
Yeah,
There's already
And
pretty much
it
fucked.
was a
there.
combination
all
of
pushing.
both lines just being idiots, and poor Ross just got
Yeah, I
murdered
don't.
for it.
Time was just in it.
Every-
I don't think he was.
Everyone's just-
No, never mind. There goes the splitter.
Time is
I
destroyed.
didn't even see Corey got involved.
Cross your fingers, because we're gonna die.
Again.
Cross-
Nobody gets
Cross
to
your
die.
fingers. My heart cannot take
We are
this.
gonna have a flip.
Plot
To be honest, I wouldn't be
Hocevar, if
surprised.
Hocevar leaves Frankie Muniz out to dry, I will fucking fight him.
He's not in
I can't
seventh.
be-
He's in
Okay.
Jamie,
fifth.
I hope you're recording.
I
I can't
am.
be the.
Come on.
Let me
Is
check the
anyone
audio real
actually
quick.
sat down at this point?
I am.
I am.
That's still a bit of a
I'm just
background.
gonna stand up.
I'm
I'm
not.
gonna stick.
I'm not.
Show
I'm
the
gonna stand up because it
cars.
hurts sitting down right now.
Oh my
Frankie,
fucking
come
God.
on, dude.
I destroyed it on the restart.
There goes
Like
Hocevar.
Garcia could have a shot.
There goes
Come on,
Garcia.
Garcia, go, 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 go.
Henrik.
Get good, get
Don't
going,
yell
go,
it
go,
again,
go.
for fuck's
Come on,
sake.
Come on, get him, come on.
Go, Jake! Come on, Garcia!
Oh
Come on,
my.
Garcia, please.
Oh!
Huge hit for Allen.
hard.
That's gonna be a
No
caution.
caution.
No
caution.
caution.
No
Caution. Here comes
No
Daniel
caution.
Hemrick.
Hemrick, what's he doing?
Come on, Daniel.
I'm gonna get a caution.
How does
Caution.
There it is.
Don't keep it green. What are you talking about? Don't keep it green. That was harder than fucking.
everywhere.
Oh,
That's
LaJoy.
debris.
Huh?
What happened to Corey?
People are not checking.
Did Corey blow up?
That's
People are not
No,
Who's leading?
no. They all backed off for the fucking caution. It doesn't matter how they came.
Why
across.
didn't they
Blue,
pick
it's
the
happening to me.
19?
Well,
Frankie didn't miss a shift this time.
Damn it!
Hocevar goes
Okay,
low.
Garcia didn't get a good
Hocevar.
here
restart.
comes Hocevar.
Oh, there goes
He's
Corey.
gonna get
There goes
low.
Granite Finger.
Whoa!
Thank you.
Yeah,
Flying, there goes Infinger to the lead.
Come on!
Garcia's gone.
Oh, there's
Oh,
Ben
man.
Rhodes. Fuck
Garcia's
no.
going, but he goes high. Corey
Get
goes
out of
low.
here.
The 07 and 99 are about to be the two cars in the middle for the captain.
Stay away.
Oh,
Come on.
it's in
Oh!
There it is. Nope, save it, save it, save it, save it.
Oh, Tony.
There you go.
Oh, no,
There
no.
you
Jesus
go.
Christ,
And there goes
dude.
Brady.
Overtime number 3.
Oh my god, there was nearly a massive wreck as well when it went to cut. Wait.
Oh well.
She's fine. Oh, man.
And almost
Oh, I thought Chandler was gonna
Oh,
race with her.
Chandler.
Wow. Wait, no. No, where is he? Where is he? Frankie was next to that
Where's
truck
Omni
on the
Man?
start.
Well,
Nah,
no,
he's-
nothing
he's
wrong. Oh,
fine.
it's pissing itself.
Oh, he's pissed.
Oh,
Air
no.
fluid on the track.
It gets
Also-
there.
You're gonna hold in the bladder.
I
Yeah,
think
this
they
is
might
amazing.
penalize
Obviously
Hocevar
someone I
Why?
definitely don't want to
No.
win.
Why?
because he moved
Ooh.
below before the line.
Did he?
Who did?
Hocevar. He might be fucked.
But yeah,
No.
yeah,
That
he
man's
got a
weird.
restart violation.
That could be big.
Oh,
He got a restart
no.
violation.
Is Hocevar gonna get slapped for it?
He's gonna get sent to the rear,
Yes,
I'd
he did,
imagine.
he did.
Fuck.
He did. He got a
Bushwhacker.
violation.
Is he getting sent to the rear, Kenny?
Wait, does that mean Matt Crafton's gonna be
Yeah.
like the top 4?
Yeah.
Yeah, restart violation, Hocevar.
Hocevar's to the
Yeah,
rear.
let's see it. Let's see it. That'll be what this
No,
replay will
that's
be.
not
No,
this.
it's not.
This is the wreck.
That's the wreck.
We finally
They
get a
showed
replay
that
this, by the way.
Have the-
What happened? So, Frankie was just.
Frankie's back there.
Frankie's
Frankie's
I
behind
wait
him.
for
What
the
did you
front.
do?
Oh,
I
nice
just
one,
saw
Ben
himself.
Rhodes.
Perez.
Yeah,
He cleared himself.
Joined by
it's gonna be
Perez.
close.
And Jack Wood
Oh.
runs into him, and
Oh,
Tony
let's
runs
go.
into him.
Frankie got so lucky to avoid that.
Do we go
Nope.
low?
Here we go.
Sorry, guys.
Yes!
Dewey,
Why is no one helping? Why is no one behind him?
What is
Then
going
how
on?
come?
Oh wait,
Why
here
is there-
comes
all the inexperienced drivers are behind Stewie. Damn
and
it.
how's
Bro,
Perez,
at
Lloyd,
least-
Smith.
At least he's bro. At least you have him in second.
Please, please, please.
Bro,
dude.
look how
Bro,
little
please.
he just left.
Fuck
not
this
anymore.
start up,
All right,
please.
Corey's
God,
gonna
Make it
run out-
loud.
Corey's gonna run out of fuel.
Come on,
Corey's
come
gonna
on.
run out of fuel.
Here we
Go.
go.
Go!
Here we go, Ribbigity, Ribbigity,
Restart.
Ribbigity.
Start. He got a good start.
Great start.
Yes.
Stop this reason
Oh
with
my
Enfinger.
Side draft.
Enfinger's gonna
Side-
have a
Suck
great run
him.
on the outside.
Oh my.
Unless
That was
unless
a-
Frankie can
Drive
get
it in
one.
hard,
Do it.
hard, hard,
There's
hard.
Perez is there too.
Come on.
Enfinger
Nah,
goes-
Don't let
Enfinger's gonna have
LaJoy
to
win.
run.
Don't let
Enfinger
Go
LaJoy
over the
win.
outside for lane. Did he get there?
Come
Here
on.
comes
Do not
Corey
let that
LaJoy.
07 or 99
Come on,
winner
get
or
him.
the 88. Do not let
Rock
either.
him, rock him,
Six,
Come on,
Stewie.
come on, give him a
Rock the-
push.
Yes.
Come on,
Yes.
Stewie.
Yes.
Somebody
Hold on to it,
Come
though.
on,
Please hold on to it. Please hold on to it.
But it comes back to what I said. It comes back to what I said near the start of the race. You do not want to be
go.
leading on the last lap.
You don't want to.
Yep.
You never know.
Hey,
It's
man, might be able
Alright,
to
one
block it.
flag.
Wait,
One
wait,
left
wait,
to go.
Stay
Right
with
to
me.
back.
Here we go.
Press
This
the
is
truck
it.
down.
This is
Michigan.
with Michigan.
Please.
Next flag is the race.
I think he might hold him off. I think he can
Oh
hold him
my.
off though. Hold on. I have a
Please.
good
Up now,
feeling. I
up
think he
now.
can hold him
Come
off.
on.
Come on.
Block it.
Enfinger's
Yeah,
gonna
He's
win
about to
that.
lose another
Block
lap.
low, block low.
He's gonna hold on.
He's gonna have to block
He
him
has
like
one
there's no more.
Texas in 22. Come on, Freeman. Let's do it. Come on.
Come on.
Come on. Get him. Get him.
Come on.
Get him. Come on.
Side down.
Slides up. Here we go.
He's got it. He's got it.
Come on, he's gonna do it.
Newark freezing. What?
We got it.
Newark
Win, Michigan.
Got it.
Oh,
Oh,
wow.
wow.
This is the playoff.
I
Holy shit,
cannot
we're freezing.
believe.
Hey, go.
I can't
Oh,
believe
we're
it of
freezing.
all people. I don't think anyone could have predicted this race.
What?
What is this? What is,
Let's go freezing.
I'm so fucking happy.
I think
2
we all are.
fucking years. He is not washed. This is the redemption.
Yeah,
He's 41.
Yeah.
Yeah,
is he the Canadian driver?
Yeah, he is.
Yes.
Yeah.
This is
Yeah,
close
he's
to
cool.
home.
He's running up the
Oh,
fucking lineup.
That is awesome.
Watkins Glen would. Watkins
He's
Glen
climbing
is
the
considered. Yeah.
shit, he's almost
Yeah.
Don't
Don't
injure
follow your
yourself.
old-
Let's go.
Don't fool your old.
Oh!
Oh,
Yeah, that
yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah, but info.
That dude.
I'm gonna tell him I said that.
Man, yeah.